In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get popular content from the blogs you follow in WordPress. Whether you're an avid reader looking to stay updated on your favorite topics, or a blogger wanting to understand the kind of content that's trending among your peers, this guide will help you navigate WordPress with ease. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to go to wordpress.com, open your preferred web browser and type in the URL, then hit enter. Once you're on the WordPress homepage, look towards the top right corner of the page. You should see the login button. Click on this and you'll be directed to a page where you can log into your account. On the login page, you'll see several options for how you'd like to log in. To make your login process quicker and more secure, click on Continue with Google. This way you don't have to worry about remembering another password, and your account will be linked with your Google credentials for easy access. Select the Google account that you want to use, make sure it's the one that's linked to your WordPress account, or else you might find yourself redirected to a different site altogether. Now that you're logged in, direct your attention to the top of the page. There you'll find a notification bell icon. Click on it. This bell icon is a handy feature that offers a streamlined view of recent activities, updates and alerts that are tailored specifically to your interest and the blogs you follow. Next, navigate to the settings icon. Clicking on this will take you to a page where you can customize your notifications and alert settings. It's an often overlooked feature, but it's incredibly valuable for making sure that you're always in the loop regarding the topics that matter to you. Once you are in settings, look for the option labeled Updates. Click on it and you'll be directed to another page. Here you're going to focus on the Digests section. You'll see a checkbox next to Digests. This option allows you to receive summaries or collections of the most popular content. Check this box to turn on Digests. This is a powerful tool for ensuring you only receive high quality content without having to sift through each individual blog post. Finally, to make sure that all your settings are correctly configured, go ahead and click Save Settings before you exit. This step is crucial because you want to ensure that your preferences are updated and applied appropriately. And that's it. By following these steps, you're set to receive updates on popular content from the blogs you follow in WordPress. Enjoy your tailored reading and keep discovering inspiring content.